I had the privilege of going to a new one, and what an awesome setup. It was in a little creek bottom, a tree stand. I sat in trees more this trip than I ever have before, and I love it. But we had does in there 10 minutes after we sat down. Some small bucks started coming through, and actually earlier than we expected. I mean, probably about an hour before we expected, we actually had a really nice 9-point. Big deer. He looked really good. And when I looked back at Jeff, who was the camera guy for that night, and he just kind of nodded like, uh-huh. And so I knew it was on, and the goal then became, how do you get drawn without getting busted and to make a good shot?